bro. Look at these trees. Bro. It's not safe outside. I know. Let's get back to Diley, guys. Guys, we're about to go back to Diley. Oh my God, bro. Guys, we're riding through all the wind and trees blowing like crazy because we're about to go to Diley during this severe storm. Like, look at these trees. Holy cow. All right, we're here at Diley. Holy cow. Oh my God, bro. Holy crap. Bro, look at all these leaves. Oh my God, there's tons of leaves. Holy cow. Apparently I went the wrong way, so I'm just gonna go this way instead. Bro, it's actually severely windy. So we're getting to our safe spot due to all the severe wind. So yeah.
Just stay here, okay? Hey, little goose, why don't you go? I am going. Who's coming? Wait,
Guys, there's tons of thunder and lightning. Once it starts raining, we're gonna go back home because it's not safe out. That's why we're in shelter. That's the exact reason why we're in shelter. Guys.
It might take a while, but
Okay.
you know.
Look at these. Oh my.
Stay here for 2 hours.
Oh my. Bro, look at those stuff over there. You guys can probably see everything is going like crazy.
The goose! You're the goose!
Yes! Fly free, bro. It's not safe out here. Wait, why are we outside then? Dun 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 dun.
That's not.
Okay, we're about to ride around in the wind. Bro. Ooh. Look at the flag. My God. The flag. Oh my God. Bro. No. Cool. Don't know if you guys heard that, because like I said, it's really hard to hear thunder on camera. But that was a big one. Holy cow, guys. There's tons of lightning in this area. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy crap. Wait, move out of the way. I'm going to get... Okay. Guys, look at this.
Yo,
Oh
look
my
at that
God.
leaf. Levitating.
I know.
Oh.
Guys, I gotta go home because my parents said so. The weather's getting too bad. We're all going home. Don't worry, I'm still gonna record. We're not just staying here at Diley because I was going to go back home. But look at this tree. Holy crap. Look at all of these leaves. Oh my God. Bro, the wind is slowing me down. I can't go any faster due to the insane high winds. That was just a huge gust of wind. Oh! You guys probably hear all that wind, right? I'm not even going fast. And it's so windy. Okay, the weather's actually getting trash. Sorry, not trash. Bro, I can't even go fast! Oh my God. Okay, the weather's actually extremely severe. Holy crap, guys. It's actually getting super severe outside. Bro, look at that tree. Like, look, like, oh my God. Okay, it's severe winds, but it's not those kind of winds that cause trees to act weird. Oh! Wow!
Look at that trash can.
I caught that on camera. Ow! Whoa! Wow! Guys, we're going in the backyard just to see how it is. No! Holy crap. Woo! Well, I guess we're just going to let it fall for now. Holy crap, guys. Look at this tree. Like for real, it's severe. Okay, it's actually getting extremely windy outside. Look over there. Look at those trees. Look at how much they're blowing. Insane. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my God, bro. Oh my. Holy crap. Dang. 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 No. Okay, it's gonna. Bro. it's windy enough for a tornado. For a tornado, like for real. Oh my God! Holy crap! Oh my God! Woo! Okay, we got more gusts wind coming, and I'm gonna leave it to you guys, and I'm gonna let it sit down because I just want to see what's going to happen. So, yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. You know what? Oh my God. It's getting severely windy outside. It's been windy for a long time. No rain at all. It's been windy for at least 20 minutes straight. It's been windy for 20 minutes straight. Bro. Guys, half of this video is just gonna be wind. Guys, lightning's coming. Guys. Okay, guys, so winds are calming down a bit now. It's getting less windy. Well, I'll catch you guys back when the thunderstorm actually starts. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. It's very calm. But if I should catch another storm for you guys, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace!